Hey there, here's AnimalFace virtual pet app. So let's just explore why it's growing in popularity. So there are quite a few ratings, but it's an entertaining animal camera app on the iOS platform. With AnimalFace, you can discover which animal you resemble the most and create your very own electronic pet. Are you ready to unleash your animal instincts? And AnimalFace is not your typical animal camera app with advanced technology. You can just discover which animal you look most like. Come and use the magical animal's face function. That's not all. We take a step by providing with detailed analysis of the different animal species, including their personalities, psychological traits, and more. So let's just open it up, and then you will just have your animal face. You can instantly upgrade, or you can just try it for free first. It's $40 per year, but let's just explore. Yeah, let's just explore. Okay, so seems there is no. All right, so at least you can get some preview, which is pretty cool. So then I don't actually know what this app does, but and then this app is just basically generating all right. So then you can see that this is like a soul animal. You can generate again, and then you can see like which animal are you. So this is like people with raccoon appearance usually have sensitive eyes, and alert so yeah, that's basically, in addition to appearance, people with the raccoon looks so have strong personality. So that's what you have here. And then you can see other people who are looking similar to raccoon. So yeah, so this is you can actually discover you can discover which pet are you, and then you can see some rankings. You can see how people are looking, and you can like some other people impersonation, smile making, soul animal, time machine. So all of these rankings you can just discover and play with it. New works. So yeah, that's again, if you want to upgrade to AnimalFace VIP, you can start with $6 per week. Yeah, and then basically just discover which pet are you. Try a test all animal. You can enlarge your smile, see what your twin will look like, predict how you will grow old. So these are the main features here. So here you can just enlarge smile. So this is not only animals, and this app is constantly adding new features, and this is just like a nice entertaining app. But again, you will need to upgrade to actually use this app properly, because there are honestly just like too many ads, and it can be, like 30 seconds ad is just too much. Yeah, you can just skip it, but I just really want to see what this app can do. And yeah, so something like that. And yeah, so yeah, you can see that's basically the idea. But yeah, so something